I decided to come back out to this permission that's getting cleared for a building, and I thought I'd go ahead and make a video since my first find is a pretty neat one. I'm not quite sure what it is, but this is a toy. Oh, I guess it's a tractor, and it's excuse me, a Hubley, which is a pretty neat brand. Yep, it's a tractor. And maybe the rest of it's down here. That's pretty cool for our first find. We'll see what else we can find. I'm out here with the AT Pro today. I've missed that little thing. It's doing pretty good for me. See you on the next one. Alright, I've only gone in a circle about 2.5, 3 feet, and I found the other half, or pieces, parts of the tractor, and I can't see if I'm in the frame, but it's pretty neat. Maybe there's more toys out here. We'll see. Alright, one of my next good finds. I say it's good because I know what it is. It's part of a snaffle bit. It's iron, but it rang out good. We'll see what else we can find out here. Well, a trip is not complete without finding a spoon. This looks like a modern stainless steel spoon. It's got nice decoration on it. Oh, there it is. It's out of the frame. Let's see what this says. Well, I don't see anything on it, but a dig is not complete without a spoon or a spoon bowl. So this is pretty neat. See you on the next. I hardly ever show these signals, but I got a good one here. '8182. So I'm gonna try to, if I can coordinate, try to live dig this one. See if I can do this with one hand. Don't know if I can do it. Can't see the screen, so I can't tell if I'm in the zone with it. Nope. It's a high tone, but it's apparently a piece of big iron. So I just hit it right there. We'll check the signal again. See what we get. Yep, still at 82. So, I'll get back with you. Well, that good signal, I was off of it a little bit. Turned out to be this piece of aluminum. That's why I don't like to do live digs. See you on the next. Well, this was a really good signal. Pretty good deep hole. And I don't know what it is, but it's Ford. If anybody knows what that is, let me know. It may have come off of a tractor. Or, I don't know. I don't know if Model Ts had these or what, but it seems to be some sort of a, maybe an airway thing. But it's definitely a Ford. That's cool. See you on the next one. Well, this is something interesting I've never seen. I don't know what that says. Top something world tea. It's pretty neat. Never seen anything like that. It's giving a good signal. Maybe there's something else in here. We'll see. Well, here's something. Iron. Maybe this is a mix iron of something. Oh, it's a file. I must be in the shop area because everything I'm finding is tractor related or car related, shop related. That's pretty neat. I'll keep on looking. See you on the next. I just dug this. Looks like a top to something. And I want to say that's Harley Davidson, but then again, I don't think it is. Looks like an H and a D, but then it looks like there's a O in the middle. But it's a cap of some sort. If anybody recognizes that, if you'd let me know. Thanks. We'll see you on the next. I don't know what this is, but it reminds me of like an ignition key accessory, or where the key would go in the ignition. But it's got a patent number and a name, something in company. And I think right there it says Lawston, but I can't read the other part. But that's interesting. At least it has a patent number on it. See you on the next. Well, I've gotten to be more around the house area, and I believe I have found a fountain pen. Still got the ink part in the middle of it. An old fountain pen case. I don't see anything written on it, but maybe I'll find something good out here. I'm hoping. See you on the next. Well, it's been a while since I found anything worth recording, but I found this interesting piece. It's made out of thin copper. I don't know what it is. I don't see any writing on it. Could be a lamp discussion, I guess, or something. It's got that big hole there, and then the top hole. I don't know what it is. That was a good signal. We'll see you on the next. Well, it took a little while to get this out, but it was worth it. A nice little spigot. It says USA on there. I guess this is almost solid brass. It's in pretty good shape. Just needs a handle and some pipe, and it's good to go. Can't tell if that's in focus. USA. Good deal. See you on the next. Out of that same hole that I just got that pipe, I got this nice triangle jar that's whole. Well, it's got a crack in it, apparently, maybe on the bottom. I don't know, but I'm getting a high signal down here at 90s, 80s, and 90s. And I have pulled out some other glass, so I'm wondering what's all down in here. Maybe it's just a dump. I don't know. See you when I find out. Well, I have worn myself out digging this hole, and it appears to be a trash dump. There's a lot of glass. Got another bottle, just a regular, I don't know, small mayonnaise or mustard jar. And I found this, which I am gonna guess is a suspender buckle. So that's something. But whatever's down there is gonna stay there. I don't know what it is. I'm tired. Go on to the next one. Y'all, I'm getting a little excited here. Over there, I just had some high tones, and it turned out to be tin cans. Came over here, this hole, high tone, little sketchy, sounded like it may have some iron with it. Pop the hole, and what do we have here? I don't know. It looks like possibly a walker. I'm hoping, because I just made myself a good finds box, and I'm hoping I get to use it. Let's see what this is. It's a walking! Oh my god! This is my third walking Liberty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Thank you, Lord. Wow. It's been worth it. It has been worth it. Wow, this is in great shape. I did not expect this. I was hoping for it, but I did not expect it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what year is this? 45, yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. This has renewed my hopes, and I'm thankful I came out here today. This is in awesome shape. Awesome shape. I think I have some water. I'm gonna rinse it off. I'll get back with you. I had to come back to the truck. I had left my water in the truck. This is in excellent shape. I am so excited. My heart rate is at 112. This is so exciting. This has been several years since I found a walking Liberty or even a big silver. I found 2 walking Liberties at the very beginning of my metal detecting time, and this is my 3rd walking Liberty. My 2nd one in this area. I'm about 6 miles from the 2nd one I ever found. I am so excited. Now, I am gonna get out my box that I just made. Excuse the wind, it's kind of windy out here. And watch, I bet it won't fit. Oh, it just fits. It just fits. That is so awesome. Made this box yesterday, got to use it today. I'm so excited, so stoked. That's where I found it out there. I don't know if you can see my metal detector, but I'm going right back there and I'm going to search that area well. I'm so thankful. Well, I haven't found any more coins. This is ringing high. This is one of those bare aspirin little containers. I guess there could be a dime or something in here. It's ringing kind of high, but I don't know yet. I'll have to clean it up and see later. I'm gonna keep looking for coins out here. Hopefully I'll find another one. See you in the next. Well, I'm about to call it quits. I keep running into stuff like this. This is a speaker. I don't know if it's from a car or from one of those old stereos, but it must be in the garbage pit area, because that's all I'm digging up is garbage. So I'm gonna head back towards the truck, maybe go a little over there, may walk over to that tree, I don't know, but we'll see. I'm tired of digging these deep holes that are nothing. See you on the next. Well, I'm just on my way back to the truck from the going out to the tree, and I spied this really pretty shard on top of the ground, and I know somebody out there knows what that is. I'll have to put this on shards and see if they'll let me know. It's a nice one. Heading to the truck, see what I can find till I get there. See you on the next. Well, I have a neat little relic to kind of end the day. This little pocket knife. You see, one of the blades was out and got broke off, and then that one looks like it was broke off. Probably been hit by a plow a time or two. Don't know what brand it is, but it's a cool little relic. I love it. AT Pro's been doing me good today. Glad I'm out and about doing this. Beautiful sunny day. Awesome. I've had a wonderful day. I'm wore out, but it's been good. If I find anything else, I'll let you know, and otherwise I'll see you at the wrap up. Well, I'm done hunting. done hunting. This big old field is going to be gone. I don't know when, but I've had a time out here. I'm so glad I came back out here today. These are my finds. I started the day off with the Hubley tractor, and then I got a spoon, and then this Ford piece. Don't know what that is. Some of my saves. That bottle's gonna go in the trash, but this one's nice. Probably gonna keep it. And this piece, I don't know what it is. That thing that I thought said Harley Davidson on it, I don't know. This patent piece, don't know what it is. Suspender buckle maybe, pocket knife, nice piece of shard. Faucet USA, I'm not sure what this is. Possibly hinged, maybe part of an antenna. The old rabbit ears antennas on the outside of the house. Piece of file. I think this may have been a reflector on a car. Horse bit, snaffle bit, melted piece of artwork. Don't know what that is. Have no idea. But this is all the junk, all the trash. Got a plow point, lots of aluminum. People Googling iron as they go by. Aluminum caps, bottles, piece of a water hose. That may have been one of those sprayers. Would have been nice if that was intact. This tea, I'm gonna have to look up this tea, find out what that is. Have to save that and look that up. All this is going in the trash. And the prize of the day that has got me so excited and so glad I came out here today is this Walking Liberty 1945. Unbelievable. I was shaking when I found this. All this trash, that's where all that trash came from, as I went back out trying to find more. But this has made it so worthwhile. I'm going to shove all this in the back of the truck and head to the house. It's my AT Pro. It did the job for me today. Thanks for watching, and thanks for the Walking Liberty. See you on the next hunt.